Hi, loves. This is the last vlog for the village series. Today we made jollof rice. So in this pot, we have some goat meat. They were blocked, and because we weren't informed on time that we had to make rice for some people, I had to just throw it into the pot and season it with some water for it to defrost quickly while on fire. So while that was on, I needed to get some things for the jollof rice. So we quickly went to the market, and this is my village market. It was quite early in the morning, and it's always very busy there, especially on the market day itself. So here I was just asking the lady here for the tomatoes she had so that I can decide on which one to get. I eventually settled for Sonia. Not settled for, I eventually went for Sonia, which is what we normally use. I got some spices, some takeaway plates, paid for all of that. Anyway, serve it. By the time I came back home, the meat was already properly cooked. My sister was already about to fry it. But yeah, we came in early, brought that down, and I counted this. I'm happy she didn't fry it because I had to count this. It was supposed to be for about 100 people and then like just extra 20 people for in house, so we had to cut this into two, especially because the meat sizes were very big. So we had to cut them into two, some into three, and I think eventually got about if 145 pieces or something. Anyway, this oil is the oil we got from the stew we made on Christmas Day. So I just used that to fry the meat, and afterwards we started making the stew. I don't know if I mentioned, but for this we used beef, and I think that beef is the best for jollof anytime, any day. My siblings were here washing the rice. We used a 25 kg bag of rice, abakaliki rice, of course, as always. So we did the normal things you need to do. Curry went in, some pepper, onions, yada yada, all of that. Fried that for a bit. I had my younger sister stir that while I was doing something else. This looked so good. It tasted so good. So something I always like to do when I'm making jollof, I make sure that the stew base is tasty on its own, and that the stock is also tasty. So that really helps before some extra seasoning. So here, look at us. So confidently putting rice into the pot. How is that pot supposed to carry that 25 kg bag of rice? And of course, we didn't parboil this. We just washed it properly, which is what we normally do. I even seasoned this. Like this rice was supposed to be very tasty. But look at the beginning of my problem. See me putting the ladle into the pot in the middle, and why does it look undone? Why does it look raw? So I had to share this into various pots. At this point, I was even tired of filming, but I knew that I just had to continue. So that was what I did. I separated it into different pots and just cooked it gradually. So this first pot was ready, and I put it into the cooler. If you can see that pan by the side, that one wasn't cooked yet. So we had some people coming in, and we had to serve them. This was the second pot. We had to add so much water to this before it got cooked. It wasn't funny, but yeah, we did it. And this one was a bit soggy, which we didn't mind, to be honest. And um the people who we cooked it for, they actually enjoyed the meal. They finished it, and this was the last pot. Well, this is the end of the video. I'll see you in my next video.